Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's time for a bird video. Budgie buddies, me, J, and K exploring a new cage today. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad bird, bad bird. Haha, I got a new cage at the yard sale yesterday. And I'll set it up and I'll check out the birds checking it out. I missed it just a minute ago. Jay was actually hopping up halfway inside of there, looking around. But that's so cool to see the little birds checking it out and exploring. There he is. Get a little bit of lighting and a cleaner lens. Look at that, they love it. I see I put that little where's my hand? There it is. Put that little thing right there hanging out with a toy hanging from it. They're checking it out earlier, and actually I had the fence or the cage sitting over there, so they walk over back and forth to it. Then now I put it up there. Like I said, they all checking it out. I'll tell you what, these birds really do love new toys. I gotta really do better on that. I do it every now and then, but I should probably start doing it several times a week, even maybe even daily. Try to come up with a new toy. I don't know. Sometimes when I come up with new things, though, they don't really care for it. But look at this, just a cage all by itself that they're going crazy over it. And it's missing a little piece right down there, but I'll make a little cardboard slide out, but it's got a little plastic thingy in there to keep them off the floor, so I don't have to worry about them getting out, even though that's probably too small for them to get out anyway. But I got the cage for the main reason was it was basically free, if not really, really cheap. But I think it'll make a great cage if I need to take one of them to the vet or separate them or something. You know, I might even use that to see if they put that up in the shower or something. See if they want to play in the shower in the cage, because I've done that before with the big cage and they like it. But with all the stuff in the cage, especially the food dishes, it makes it a little difficult. The other thing I want to do is, this is going to be pretty cool, is take this cage and see how that door is right there to the outside of the cage. Well, I'm going to turn the cage this way and put this cage with that door attached to the outside where that door is. So basically it'll be a 2-room cage with that as a divider or just a hallway, basically an entryway. And I'll start putting toys in there and clearing this out a little bit more so they can actually flap and fly around more in there, and then chill out and hang out in here. And it might even be easier to feed and keep the water and everything in there too. So that might be another thing too. I can give them more space, and again, then just detach it and take it with me if I need to bring them to the vet or just travel. In fact, because I've traveled with them a few times and they do pretty decent in the car. They're pretty cool. I also got this thing right here. They just gave it to me for free. Said, see if you can do something with it. You know, because they figured maybe I could attach it to the back of my bike or something to carry things in. And I thought maybe I could, but toolbox or something. I mean, it's solid wood inside of there, and other than the sun, you know, aging on the outside, it's really in good shape. But that cage fits perfectly in here, and it sticks up about this much taller, so they got a little room to look out. And then you grab this strap right here and put it right over your shoulder. And I literally got myself a little bird carrier. You know what I'm saying? If I were to just want an emotional support animal in public or something stupid like that, you know. I could legitimately make that a setup today to do it. Not that I would, but I could. You know, just finding a use for everything. Oh, there you are. So, guys, what do you think of your new little cage? You like it? You guys ready for me to start putting stuff in it and see if I can attach it to your big cage? Or do you guys want to just go jump in there and hang out and see if you can, I don't know. Alright, J&K, what you got to say today? Yay! Is it a celebration? Is it a celebration? Yeah? Yeah? Jaybird, Jaybird. JK. Huh, they're all tuckered out from flying around. There they go, they're at it again. Can't keep a good bird down. Look at him. Oh, did he actually take it? Yeah, he actually got it out of the cage. Yeah, I mean, out of the doorway. He actually took it out, moved it, and now he's trying to slide. Wow. Pretty crazy little bird. Well, now I gotta make sure I compensate for that. If I ever use that for a portable cage, I gotta make sure I lock those small doors down too. You just pick them right up and look at it. he just picked that thing up and moved it. Hi, Jaybird. Hi, Jaybird. What you doing, buddy? And I'm not kidding when I said I just put the camera down from the last video, and there they go. What's up? What's happening, buddy? What you doing, Jaybird? What you doing, Jaybird? What you doing, Jaybird? What you doing, Jaybird? What you looking at? What you looking at, Jay? What you looking at, Jay? Hi, Kay. J and K, my little budgie buddies. J and K, my little budgie buddies. What you doing? What you doing? You're cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Yeah, what you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Jaybird, 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 Jaybird. What you doing, Jay? What you doing, Jay? You the star of the show? Jaybird the star of the show? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Jaybird's the star of the show. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Jaybird, what you gonna say today? Jaybird, what you gonna say today? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Jaybird, what you doing? What you doing? Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad bird. Oh, look at KK. KK, you cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. You're so cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. You're so cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs. You're so cuckoo. I'm so cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs. Ah. Cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs. Yeah. Yeah, cuckoo for the Cocoa Puffs. Yeah. What you gonna do when they come for you? Cuckoo. Hey, Jaybird, flap your wings. Jaybird, flap your wings. Jaybird, flap your wings. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Jaybird, flap your wings. No, not today. Look how beautiful these guys are. Look how absolutely beautiful these birds are. I absolutely love my little birdies. Yup. Yeah, let's say hi to me. There I am. Ooh, it's time to clean that mirror, huh?
Answer the phone, Joshua!